If you work in optimization, artificial intelligence, or computational intelligence, you've almost certainly encountered the name Professor Kalyanmoy Deb. With over 216,000 citations and an H-index of 144, he's not just a giant in his field, he's a foundational architect of modern evolutionary computation and multi-objective optimization. Let me take you through the remarkable journey and impact of Professor Deb, a story any academic or researcher can draw inspiration from. Professor Deb is currently a University Distinguished Professor at Michigan State University, where he holds the Koenig Endowed Chair. But his influence stretches around the globe, with roles from IIT Kharagpur to Aalto University in Finland. His research has shaped everything from how we tackle multi-objective problems to how artificial intelligence can guide real-world decision-making. Back in the early 90s, Professor Deb's doctoral work at the University of Alabama set the stage. He explored messy genetic algorithms for complex optimization challenges. Since then, he's authored not only 2 textbooks, one of which, Multi-Objective Optimization Using Evolutionary Algorithms, is an absolute staple, but also over 600 peer-reviewed articles and 21 edited books. If you've referenced NSGA2, the iconic evolutionary algorithm, you're citing a paper with over 58,000 citations. Yes, that's his. But it's not just about numbers. What sets Professor Deb apart is his relentless drive to bridge theory and practice. His work powers everything from watershed management to industry collaborations with Google, Facebook, Ford, and Siemens. Whether it's optimizing the design of electric machines or advancing interpretable AI, you'll find his fingerprints on today's cutting-edge solutions. Recognition: the list is staggering. Infosys Prize, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize, IEE Pioneer Award, and so many fellowships it's hard to keep count. He's been ranked #1 globally in evolutionary computation and multi-objective optimization, and in the top 0.05% of all researchers worldwide. Beyond research, Professor Deb has been a mentor to 36 PhDs and 65 master's students, shaping new generations of innovators. He's delivered over 100 keynote lectures around the world, and he's led major conferences, like founding the EMO conference and chairing the CF committees. What I find most inspiring, his commitment to community. He's made sure that advances in multi-criterion decision-making are not locked away in theory. They're tools for engineers, data scientists, and decision-makers everywhere. And as an editor and advisor to top journals, he's helped set the direction for our entire discipline. So, whether you're tackling a gnarly optimization problem, mentoring students, or driving interdisciplinary research, there's a lesson here. Rigorous scholarship, global collaboration, and a passion for real-world impact can truly change the academic landscape. To learn more about Professor Deb and his work, check out the links below. And if his career tells us anything, it's that the pursuit of knowledge paired with purpose can resonate far beyond the lab or lecture hall. Thanks for watching. If you found this profile inspiring, be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most impactful researchers.